Water wasting occurs when we use water inefficiently, leading to shortages and environmental harm. Water conservation involves using water wisely in order to prevent water shortage. It is crucial because our supply of fresh water is limited. By conserving water, we protect ecosystems, save money, and ensure availability for the future generations. Simple steps like fixing a leak can make a huge difference. Let us all commit to water conservation to ensure a sustainable future.
Water scarcity is a pressing issue with far-reaching consequences. Here are some of the alarming facts. Severe shortage by 2025. It is estimated that by 2025, half of the world's population will be living in water-stressed areas. This means more than 3 billion people could face significant water shortages within the next year. Number 2. Depleting aquifers. Around 30% of the world's fresh water comes from underground aquifers, many of which are being depleted faster than can be replenished. Even in some of the regions, this could lead to collapse of critical water supplies. Number 3. Drought impact. Over the past decade, droughts have affected more than 1.5 billion people globally. This trend is expected to worsen as the climate change leads to more frequent and severe droughts. Point number 4. Food production at risk. Agriculture accounts for about 70% of the global freshwater use. As water becomes scarcer and food production is threatened, leading to potential food shortage and increased prices. Point number 6. Pollution and contamination. Around 80% of the world's wastewater is discharged back into the environment without being treated. This contaminates the existing water supplies, making clean water even harder to access. Now, point number 7. Melting glaciers. Glaciers provide water to billions of people around the world, but they are rapidly melting due to the climate change and global warming. Once they are gone, the seasonal water supply for many regions will be drastically reduced, affecting both drinking water and agriculture. These are the facts that underline the urgent need for global action on water conservation, management, and equitable distribution to prevent looming of water crisis.
Here are some measures to address water scarcity. Number 1. Water conservation. Implement low-flow toilets and flushes and shower heads in our washrooms. Number 2. Rainwater harvesting. Reuse rainwater for non-potable purposes. Number 3. Recycling water. We can retreat wastewater for flushes, irrigation and industrial purposes. Number 4. Desalination. We can treat and remove salt and minerals from seawater to produce fresh water. Number 5. Drip irrigation. Deliver water directly to plant roots, reducing evaporation and runoff. Number 6. Water efficient agriculture. Implement precision irrigation, mulching and crop selection. Number 7. Leak detection and repair. Regularly inspect and fix leaks in pipes and infrastructure. Number 8. Water storage. Build reservoirs, tanks and adequate things to store water during times of plenty.
Water conservation crisis is a pressing global issue. Due to population growth, urbanization and climatic changes, the water demands are exceeding supply. Agricultural expansion, industrialization and inefficient use are the main straining resources. Pollution, lack of management and limited awareness are making the sea even more worse. We need to act now to conserve water and protect this precious resource to ensure a sustainable lifestyle in future.